Hello guys, Robert here. Today we're gonna make a counter React application. So basically it's a very simple application which has the function to just increase a number or decrease a number, but by preset value. So for example, this counter which I already create here, it just increase the value by 1 and also decrease the value by -1. So to just make this tutorial a bit shorter, I already prepared the basic application for React. So we have here a basic application. Let me delete this one. So I just create a class with the name counter, and instead the app I just modify with the counter to just render the counter element, and also I just let the empty div. I will just talk a bit about React Fragment, so basically what it is and what we can use to just improve a bit the code. It's just a new feature for React 16, if I don't say a mistake. Okay, let's start to create the application. So we're gonna start with adding a state, because we need a state for this one. So we're gonna say state is equal with count, and we just count from 0 basically. After that we're gonna add a React fragment basically. So let me put React fragment and close React fragment, and inside the React fragment we can just add a div, or maybe we just add directly the buttons. So we need a button. Let's see, this one supposed to have type button, and I will just put a class name to target some CSS as well. Let's see, class name equal with buttons to be a bit more simple. Okay, let's close this tag, and inside the button we're gonna start with decrease. Oh, I already closed the tag here, sorry. Okay, was supposed to work. We just duplicate this one, and we're gonna say here increase. And between those two buttons we're gonna say spawn, and gonna put a counter, something like this. So basically what React Fragment do is just let us to read the code without adding a div in the HTML structure. So you can just write a bit better the HTML structure without using one div plus. So that is the only thing you do. Sometimes it's beneficial, but in most of the part you can just put instead the React fragment, you can just put add a div, and you don't need to remember what exactly do, what exactly you need to do it, or it's a short version as well, so you can just delete the React fragment and just keep like this, and it's working the same. So it's also a bit faster if you want to write a bit faster, if that is your point. So at the moment we have 2 buttons and the counter. Let me add the CSS. Let me import the the style CSS here. So styles.css. Let me enter here. At the moment it's empty. We're gonna start with the span. Let's add a margin, 20 pixels, left, right, up, down. So it's fine. Maybe 30. Nah, 20 is supposed to be enough. Let's add some style to the buttons. So I will just start with the padding, 20 pixels. And let's see, background color, we're gonna say 00A896, so it's a blue color, kind of blue, bit blue to green. Let's add a font size, let's see, 20 pixels. Also color inside the button, we're gonna say white. Text transform, gonna be uppercase. Okay, starting looking good. Let's going with border radius. Let's see, 10 pixels. Let's cancel the border. We're gonna say 0. And let's add a font size here. Font size 20 pixels as well, or even more, 30. Yeah, let's use 30 pixels. Okay, now we're gonna start to write 2 methods on each button with one click. So we're gonna start with decrease first. Let me write on click. So let's see, this handle decrease. It's pretty easy name. Let's copy again and we just say handle increase. Don't overcomplicate. Now we can just write the method. Let's start with increase. I miss typing, huh? So handle increase. We're gonna use an arrow function because I don't want to bind those 2 methods. And we just modify the set state. Okay, set state. And decide that we're gonna target a counter, and this state dot count +1. We're gonna copy the method, and we're gonna be almost the same thing, but here we're gonna have -1, and we can modify the name to just fit with decrease. Can just copy from here and just put here to be a bit more safe. And inside here we're gonna add the counter from the state. So we're gonna say this state dot counter, or count. It's not counter, it's count. Now everything's supposed to working. So when you press 1, click on increase, the value gonna increase by 1, and when you press decrease, the value gonna decrease by 1 as well. So increase, decrease. So this one, it was the application. I hope you learned something. Maybe you learned something about React Fragment. Let me know in the comment if you have a question. If you like the tutorial, just press like. If you want to see more tutorials like those, please subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day. Bye.